Okay. After these messages, we'll be right back. What's up, y'all? What's
that from?
ABC.
Over 25 feet of water where there was once. Ain't that like from a Saturday morning or some shit, cartoon or something?
Yeah.
I hate the way
ABC.
they portray us in the media.
ABC. What's up, bro? Everything's good over here at this corner. So I'll ask you something. Your birthday is in a couple of days, huh?
Yeah. What is it? ABC what?
ABC Saturday mornings. Latoya Meade is watching. Let me try to add home. Let's see. Invite.
That's it.
Oh, you want to know that a little bit? I'm trying to add her. Oh, she must have got off. Oh, hey, Latoya.
What is you doing, boy?
Wait, look a little bit. What you saying?
I said, what is you doing?
I'm chilling by Randy. He Randy right here. Say it to Randy.
Oh, I see him. I thought you was at Donald House.
Donald House? Well, where the hell you at?
At my own house.
Whatever, girl. What's up with you?
Nothing.
Oh, so anyway, you're live on the show. Everybody's watching you. And you know, folks, say it to the viewers if they're watching.
I know somebody watching me because somebody to see he.
To you?
Yeah, some girl who you went to school with.
Oh, all right. So never mind who's what. What's up with you?
Nothing.
Nothing but chilling, huh?
Yup.
Okay, so
Donald said he watching you.
Who?
Donald said he see you talking.
Oh, okay. Yeah, what's up? Okay. And by the way, this post is going on YouTube, yeah?
Yes.
So you my third guest FaceTime, you know. So this is going on YouTube, you know. And by the way, Randy's birthday is in a couple of days. Say, tell you remember Randy?
Yeah, I remember Randy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because we went to 20 and John back with us, you know.
Yeah, I remember him.
Oh, okay. So anyway, can I come visit you today?
I don't care.
Okay. Yeah. And then my friend DJ Dan is watching. And by the way, if you're watching this, this is going on YouTube, Dan. All right. Well, a lot of people gonna be watching this once I put this on the YouTube stuff, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, Randy, anything you want to say?
Sure.
Or you're just chilling. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Golly, so many people is watching my videos. Golly, we having a ball right now. Well, all right. So I'm about to go by Donald a little later. So I'll talk to you later. Yeah. See y'all, everybody. I'm about to go to YouTube live. All right. I'll see you later.
All
Yeah.
right.
All right.
All right.